So the question is, if mean and variance of 7 variates, okay, are 8 and 16, means 8 is mean and 16 are variance respectively, and 5 of them are, these are 5 of them are 2, 4, 10, 12 and 14, then the product of remaining 2 variates. Okay, so let's we consider that last 2 variates are x and y. And now we solve this question because we have to find the 2 variates, the product of these variates. Okay, because and we have mean and variance. So let's see. So let the remaining 2 variates x and y, and given mean is 18. So we will mean will be like x plus y plus all total sum of 7 upon 7. Okay, x plus y plus 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 divided by 7 equals to 8, because this is mean. And after solving this will be 42, and 8 7 are 56. Okay, this will be like here. And after solving this, the x plus y equals to 14, and this is question number 1. Okay, and the given variance is 16. So variance can be written as x square plus y square plus 2 square plus 8 square, sorry 4 square plus 10 square plus 12 square plus 14 square divided by 7 minus 8 square. Okay, this is mean equals to 16. This is variance, and this is 8 8 ja 64. This is 64, and after it comes here this side, then it will be plus because this is minus is here, and this will be 80 here. Okay, so this is 80, and after solving this, and 80 into 7 5600, this comes here and it will be like multiply. And after solving this one, the x square plus y square is equals to 100 minus 460. So 560 minus 460 equals to 100. So this is equation 2. And x square plus y square can be written as x square plus y square equals to x plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, so we will substitute equation 1 in the equation 2, means equation 2. Okay, and this will be like 14 square minus 2xy equals to 100. After substituting this here, so 196 minus 2xy equals to 100, and 2xy equals to 96, and xy equals to 48. So this is the answer number. Option number 2 is correct. So x dot y equals to 48.